What ignited my passion as a chef? I try to keep traditional, but I love creating something new. When we go out for the trip to source the ingredients, we try to looking for the herbs and the ingredient that can bring back the unique flavor to our dishes. If you have that raw flavor of the raw ingredients, it will bring the dish at the end that have the perfect flavor. When you choose the chili, it cannot be like a dull red color. It needs to be quite bright, so it gives your curry the right color. When I was young, I grew up in the cooking family, and then I saw that the food back then is very different from now. So with Pace, our philosophy is to keep traditional. So we try to learn traditional first before we modernize it. Our food, we keep 80% traditional and 20% that we add our creation in there. We try to bring back the Thai herbs, which is lost at the moment, and then we try to bring something new to the market as well. When the curry paste, when it's perfectly cooked, so you can smell all the herbs and perfume, it's all that in one hit that will go through your nose. And then when you put in your mouth, all your 5 senses will work at the same time, and then it will click. And when the taste is right, you will know in your heart that this is the one. That's what ignites my passion, and that's what makes me want to come back to the kitchen every day. When you cook in the kitchen, it's the dedication that you have to give to what you do. It's a long hours, it's a lot of physical, and then it's the discipline that you have to work in the kitchen, and then you just keep trying to keep consistency day in, day out, and that is very important. After that, if you want to create something, you need to learn from the basic first, and then you can put your creation into it.